Hi folks, today I want to talk about why it's really important to have some of your projects on GitHub. Especially it might be useful for the interviews, and first of all you can put link to your repositories into your CV, and then during the interviews sometimes they will ask you to do some coding exercise in some online IDE or online text editor, but in sometimes in rare cases they will also ask you to share your screen and to implement something kind of from scratch on your laptop. So in such cases it's really useful to have some boilerplate example projects on your GitHub. Like in this example, for example, I have example of Playwright API tests, some UI tests. So you can quickly clone your project like this. Sorry. Go to folder, take the link from here. You can download it as a zip, but I usually just clone it. Now I say git clone. Now you can go and say npm install to install dependencies. Then you can open it in your editor, and basically you are ready to implement some tests quickly. It's much faster than create Playwright project from scratch, install everything, configure everything from scratch and everything. So yeah, in this example, for example, recently I was asked to implement some of UI tests and API tests on one interview. So I basically just opened this project, used it as a boilerplate, cloned it as I showed, just copied some of my code, reused it, and basically the test API test example was ready within a couple of minutes. So in order to be ready for such situations, just have some projects, start some of your projects on GitHub. If you don't want to write your own project from scratch, just copy someone else's examples. Repositories. Yeah, so have few examples for different situations, for API tests, for UI tests, with Playwright, with Cypress, with Selenium, and so on. So that's my use case. I would really recommend you to have something on GitHub. That's it. See you in the next one.